We're starting 2021 with a bang and ticking an awesome experience off my bucket list.
And I had a dream that someday I would just fly away. And I always knew I couldn't stay, so I had a dream that I'd just fly away. I've been on my own for a minute. Is it only me out here?
Yeah, baby.
Searching for the place to begin it. Is it me? Is it you? Is it fear? Standing on the line I was given. People stare and ask me why I'm here. No one seems to think that I fit in, but I don't wanna be like them. No, 'cause I don't wanna be like them. 'Cause I know that and I had a dream that someday I would just fly away. And I always knew I couldn't stay, so I had a dream that I'd just fly away. I'd fly away. No one knew how low I was feeling. I was scared to reach for it all, knowing I was here for a reason. But I was scared that if I tried I'd fall. So where do I go now that I'm in it? I never thought it'd be like this. Dreamed it all my life and I did it.
I'm allowed to go crazy now. Lock it up on the towel. Yeah, I put a towel. Did you? No.
It is. 'Cause I had a dream that someday I would just fly away. And I always knew I couldn't stay, so I had a dream that I'd just fly away. I'd fly away. I'd fly away. I'd fly away. 'Cause I had a dream that someday I would just fly away. And I always knew I couldn't stay, so I had a dream that I'd just fly away. I'd fly away.